Hey guys, welcome to Omniverse. Have you ever been in a situation where you need to make a PowerPoint presentation on a specific topic, but you are short on time or design skills? Well, that's where this app comes in. This an AI-powered tool that can generate professional-looking PowerPoint presentations on any topic in minutes without any design skills required and save you hours of work by generating a presentation in minutes. How to make a stunning PowerPoint presentation. 1. Head over to Gamma.app and create an account. It's free. You won't have to pay anything. 2. Click on the Create New button and select Generate and then select Presentation. 3. In the text box, type in your topic. Here I selected Classic Movie Monsters. 4. Hit Continue. Select the theme of your liking and then Gamma will start working its magic. 5. In just a few moments, you'll have a professional-looking PowerPoint presentation on classic movie monsters. Ready to go! Here are some tips for customizing your presentation. Add or remove slides as needed. Change the order of the slides. Edit the text on each slide. Add images, videos, and charts to your presentation. Change the design of your presentation, including the font, colors, and layout. Once you're happy with your presentation, you can download it as a PowerPoint file and share it with the world. So there you have it, folks. That's how to make a PowerPoint presentation on any topic using Gamma. It's easy, fast, and anyone can do it. So go ahead and give it a try. You won't be disappointed. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.